Hi, my name is David White and I'm the Content Marketing Director at connective3. Today I want to talk to you about a blog post that I recently wrote on our site titled "Why Your PR Ideas Need to Grow with You as an Agency." Now, a little bit of background on myself. I've started PR teams before. I've started PR teams and I've built them up. However, every time I've done it previously to connective3, it's already been in an established business with an established client base. So when starting at connective3, who are a brand new business, I've had to face some challenges that I haven't faced before, and that is what I want to share with you today. And that's about why being braver with your PR campaigns is actually going to benefit not just your team, but also your business in general. In the past 4 months of being at connective3, we've been really fortunate. We've managed to get to 60 members of staff, build an incredible office in the centre of Leeds, and work with clients on a global level, and we've also been nominated for awards. What has become apparent really quickly to me though, is how other agencies who are starting out are dealing with PR. So for example, if you were an agency who were just starting out, normally, not always, but normally you'll be dealing with smaller companies. So when you're selling your PR ideas in, you'll probably be selling it into the founder or the SEO manager. And normally the concept of the PR campaign is less important than the links or the coverage that they return. However, in order to grow your team and to grow your business, you need to be working with larger clients. And one thing that becomes apparent really quickly when working with larger clients is that when you have a client meeting, in the room with yourself will be social media, legal, compliance, brand, SEO, PR. And all of a sudden you have more eyeballs on the work that you're creating. So you need to think of your PR ideas that answer their problems as well as your own. So your PR campaigns no longer can be safe and do just what journalists need them to do. You need to push the boundaries and be a bit more riskier and make them work harder. So for example, you now need to create PR campaigns that can also have content that come off the side of them, so the content team or the site team can use that. Or you need to incorporate social media within your PR campaigns, because the PR campaigns will always get links, but it's about what's next. Now, as an industry, one of the challenges I believe that we face is that we're too safe and we do the same things too often. Things such as surveys, dream jobs, them kind of style of campaigns we know work, and therefore we are more likely to recommend them to our client. I'm not saying that that's the incorrect thing to do. What I am saying is that if you really want to grow your team in your agency, you need to be focusing on relevant campaigns that deliver more than just links. You need to deliver links, content, new customers, social media. It can be campaigns that can be revisited again in the future. Ultimately, by playing safe and doing what other PRs do and following the trends within PR industry, you may be restricting the growth of your own team and your own agency. So don't be afraid to be a bit bolder and braver and try new things. And always remember to look outside of just pure link building and look at things such as content and social media, because to get in front of the bigger clients with the bigger budgets, that's what they're going to want to see. Thank you very much.